At Flaxley Tyres, we want you to know that we are a business that you can trust. We truly pride ourselves on providing excellent customer service for our customers. We have plenty of new tyres in stock to suit every vehicle, and in the rare instance that we don't, we have multiple deliveries every day, meaning that we can get you back on the road. Getting booked in is super easy. You can either leave your car with us and our skilled staff will start the work on your car for you, or you can even drive in yourself and sit in the car while you wait. We have a team of highly experienced staff who truly value the work that they do, meaning we provide an honest and integral service to you as a customer. We're also located opposite a fast food restaurant and also a retail park, meaning that there's plenty to do while you wait. We have a range of different tyres and stock plenty of premium tyres, mid-range tyres, and also plenty of affordable budget tyres too. We have something for everybody's needs. With our tyres also, we offer a mobile unit, meaning we can get you back on the road, or as we like to say, bring the garage to you. We also offer state-of-the-art wheel alignment services using Hunter wheel alignment to often get even better results than the manufacturer. To find out more about the services that we offer, or to get your car booked in today, head to flaxleytyres.co.uk and enter your registration, or you can call us today on 0121 789 6549. Flaxley Tyres, located in Birmingham.